Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to be making this really simple, really nothing to it, and delicious garlic cabbage. Now I'm using Chinese cabbage or Napa cabbage. It has a few different names. You can see it just there. Simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into kind of fairly chunky pieces, and then we're going to get over to the cooker and start this. It's so simple and so delicious. So what we're going to do is we're going to start in a kind of wokky type of pan. I'm using oil, and I'm using sesame oil. Gives it a lovely flavor. To that I'm going to add quite a lot of garlic, like 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Gonna get that in. By the way, we're on an above medium heat, fairly lively, you know what I mean? Gonna kind of just stir fry this quite quickly. So we spin the garlic around in the lovely oil, then we add the cabbage. I've got about 4 or 5 cups in total. Now I've cut it in this fashion, but you can cut it, shred it or something like that if you want. I kind of like it fairly chunky like this. So after about 4 minutes, you can see it's slightly wilting, but it's still going to be really crunchy. We're now going to add a little bit of chili. Now, you could just use bell pepper or something like that. This is a chili, but it's not like super crazy hot, you know what I mean? Little touch of salt, not too much, because we're going to be adding some soy. Black pepper, be as generous as you like with that. And here goes our soy. Now look, I'm using a light soy, and I've got about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Very simply, keep this heat up fairly high. Stir fry this around for about another 3 to 4 minutes. You've only gone and done it. It's absolutely delicious. Nice as a kind of side dish if you want, or for me, I just eat it straight like that. I'm so happy with it. So off goes the heat. The only thing I'm going to do now is add some green onions or spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Just give that a little spin around. We're going to serve that. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.